7 silent behaviors that make people regret hurting you. People rarely regret losing you because you begged or argued. Most regret begins when you become quiet, distant, and emotionally unavailable. Psychology shows that silence often forces people to face consequences they tried to ignore. Here are 7 silent behaviors that quietly make people regret hurting you. Number 1. You observe without reacting. Nothing unsettles a guilty person more than calm silence. Instead of arguing, you simply watch and stay composed. Psychologists say emotional control removes the reaction manipulative people often seek. Your silence exposes their behavior more than anger ever could. Number 2. You detach instead of fighting. You stop chasing explanations and emotionally step back. Detachment is powerful because it removes access. When you no longer argue or beg, people begin feeling the emptiness they created themselves. Number 3. You choose distance over drama. Rather than creating conflict, you quietly walk away. Studies on mental well-being show distance from toxic environments reduces stress and improves emotional clarity. Sometimes silence and distance say more than confrontation. Number 4. You stay calm and respectful. They expect revenge, anger, or emotional outbursts, but you remain controlled. Emotional intelligence research shows calm people are often viewed as stronger and more mature. Your peace becomes the lesson they didn't expect. Number 5. You stop seeking revenge. Instead of trying to hurt them back, you focus on healing and growth. Over time, people often face the consequences of their own actions naturally. Protecting your peace is more valuable than wasting energy on revenge. Number 6. You prioritize peace over approval. You stop trying to please people who constantly disrespect you. The moment you no longer seek their validation, they lose control over your emotions. Strong boundaries reveal who truly respects you. Number 7. You become harder to read. You stop explaining every feeling, every decision, and every move. When your silence replaces constant attention, people begin reflecting on what they lost. Often, your absence speaks louder than words. The truth is, people don't always regret hurting you immediately. Sometimes the regret begins when they realize your silence is permanent and your energy is no longer available to them. Silence is not weakness. In many situations, it is emotional discipline and self-respect. Walking away quietly can speak louder than any argument ever will. If this message connected with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this reminder today.